Great for connecting digital audio components, such as HDTVs, Blu-ray players, DVD players, game consoles, DVRs, cable boxes, satellite boxes, subwoofer speakers, receivers, sound systems and more. Also for use with Pdif, subwoofer, digital or composite video interfaces. Copper-clad center conductor, dielectric insulation, aluminum braiding and dual foil shielding, for crisply natural sounds. Low energy loss and maximum rejection of the hum, static from RF and M interference. Corrosion-resistant gold-plated RCA connectors also provide a consistently tighter fit than commonly rolled cables with wider tolerances. A tough, yet pliable PVC jacket for sturdy durability, easy routing and quick installation. A split tip center pin even ensures high contact pressure and conductivity. This cable is backed by Mediabridge's limited 1-year warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Just really good cables, especially for the price. I'm running these between Audio Engine A5 Plus main speakers and a Coaxial subwoofer and they work wonderfully. Mediabridge just seems to make really good cables for very reasonable prices.